If
You know those two J's are like terrible reliability.
get your right hand and reach down real far behind them.
Right.
Oh God.
Yeah, so this is not a standard BMW. Do you want to see exactly what the BMW is about?
Do you want to see
That is a question.
You're gonna go dry. Sorry, family showing all that. Dip monkey in the front. He's sweating, going, what are you doing? I'm blowing up here.
I was...
Barry! Stand there! Come on, guys!
Massive round of
We've lost another tyre! Massive round of applause for these both wild drivers! Has it gone? Something fell off it.
Oh, there's something clicking as well under there.
That's my knees.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, something got on the inside of it. Yeah, the
that's
inside edge is gone.
delaminated.
There is a small fire in the brake department, sir.
Oh, it's like, oh yeah, it's on